And we are starting with this new road cruiser from Fiat Ducato 2025. And we shall be firstly checking the complete spec sheet and check the final price for the 636 road cruiser, and it's for the 2025 model. Final price 68,380. And shall we be entering inside? Okay, so for this road cruiser we are looking at the same, just like the Possl 2WinR, with this special storing bin and additional pop-up for your cooking experience. Well, entering in, we have the new Fiat Ducato chassis with automatic climate control, manual speed and digital dashboard. Yeah, it's the new Fiat chassis with this upholstery on top of the standard seating, and they are keeping this upper part so you get a lot more storage inside. We have two cabinets with a lot of space inside, also 12 volts out and preparation for 230 and 12 volts. Speaking of the table, it's the actual table for more space when passing, and we have the swivel out. The sitting area for two people with ready ISOFIX hookup to points. And under it we have the control board with slight storage inside. Going up, we are getting the same Possl 2WinR Plus, not symmetrical kitchen with two cooking wares and a decent size sink. On the upper part we shall be finding a good cabinet for all your smaller items, an upper cabinet for your food and kitchenware. On the lower part we have 4 deep cabinets, actually 3 because this is from the sink. And going on the lower part, pretty deep cabinet, and under it a deeper cabinet indeed. Closing off, we are looking at an that4 fridge of 90 liters, standard for this size of campervans, with small ice. And we have the round bathroom that gives you much more space when taking a shower. And if we check my height, well, I barely fit in, but it's meant for actually having more space when taking around, and 185 centimeters tall, so take note that you shall be kinda crouching if you are over 180 centimeters. And looking up from here, we have a pretty big showering space when closing on, because the complete section and the passage is made to take a shower. That4 cassette toilet, extractable shower unit, and a lot of cabinets inside here, and under. So yeah, pretty much a good amount of space in this 639. And if you are looking on the back, we are actually having 5 cabinets, also one on that side, and they are pretty deep and useful. And this looks like a longitudinal bed. And well, as we are here, we shall be measuring with my measuring tool, so we understand the actual length of the bed. From end to end, you're looking 1.931 from this side, and we are looking at about 1.959, so pretty long. And at the widest part we are looking at 1.8. So yeah, this is an pretty longitudinal bed. Actually can sleep almost 3 people. Under it there are stairs to go up if you want to push that down. And we shall be exiting, getting another look, checking on the back. We can open also to check the actual amount of storage inside, and that's actually pretty deep. As you can see, this is pretty flush and made to store 2 bottles of 10 kilos inside, with a great light to check your actual space down. And if we measure it, we are looking at the widest part of 1 meter 154, and let's say to the longest part we are almost 1.5 meters. So yeah, pretty deep and spacious. And there you go. This is the Possl Roadcruiser for the 2025 edition.